everyone, welcome to another piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the Order 66 theme from Star Wars. It goes like that, this. But once you learn it, you'll find it's actually pretty easy. So there are 5 parts to this song, but don't get put off by that because they're very simple. So for the first part, for the right hand we've got E, G, E. So C is over here. Then we go E, and then up down octave, goes together with a G. Like that, okay? And then we've got that again. Then just this E by itself, and then the E, G, E again, and then the E by itself. I recommend that you write these down on a sheet of paper just so that you can remember them. Then for the left hand we've got E octave or E, then C octave or just C, and then E octave or just E. So let's put these hands together for the first part. So it's E, G, E and E. C and E, G, E. Then holding the G, E down, you're going to play that E by itself. So down together, and then you're going to go, and then E, G, E and E, E. Same motion, and then we're going to go on to the second part, which is for the right hand E, G, E, and then C and G, and then E, G, E. So E, G, E, and then E, and then E, G, E again, and then E again. We're going to do it in the same motion how you hold the G, E, but then just play the E by itself. So play together, like that, and then that. Okay? So putting those two hands together, it should be like E, G, E and C's. G, A, B. And for the next one we've got E octave and the C octave. So like the lowest E's and the lowest C's, okay? So I'm going to put on the E, G and E and the E's. B and C and C. There's the third part. And now for the fourth part we've got a 4-noted chord, but you can always change it to a 3-note chord by doing E, G, B. Just sound like this. But the real chord is E, G, B, E. And then you're going to have that, and then G, F, A, and G, F sharp, A, F sharp, G, A, and then B, and then you've just got E's all the way through. But for that 4-note chord, we're going to have E octave. So you're going to have E, G, B and E octave together. And then G and this E. So, and to have this E. E by itself. F sharp, G, B and E. which is, for the right hand, it's G, 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 F sharp. A, F sharp, D, F sharp, E. And then, for the left hand, we've only got 3 D octaves. So, it will be D and octave by itself. A and D. E and D octave. Like that. So, the whole thing together should sound like this. Is made of that. That bit, okay? So the 4th and 5th parts mostly, and then the part is just the intro part. So I hope you enjoyed my lesson, and please subscribe for more.